Hi, I'm John from Juan Tech Trade. I'm going to teach you guys how to implement a guessing game, where the computer has a secret number, and we are trying to guess where its secret number. So, first step is actually having the computer to generate a secret number for us to guess. And in order to do that, we're going to import random Python library. Whenever we call import random, it actually go into this package and import all the function so we copy and use them or call them. So, we be using the function random.randinta, be closing parenthesis. Next step, define a function, let's say guess underscore num, and pass the parameter n. We can pass the n into the random getNumber function. Next, we need to get the random number. Let's say rand_num equals random.randint1 n. Basically, this will return a random number between 1 to n. Once the computer has a random number, we need to guess that number in the terminal and input what our guess of the number is. The computer will tells us whether we are right or wrong. So, we need to keep looping until we get the right answer. For that, we'll use a while loop. For this while loop, we'll need an expression. Like when we want to stop the loop, we want to stop it when our guess is equal to the computer's secret number. So our expression will be guess not equal to random. Then we want to iterate over some command. We need to define the variable guess. eGuess equals 0. Initializing the variable closing parenthesis. This informs Python that this variable exists. Here, we don't want our initialization to be equal to the rand_num variable. Next, we get the user input. We set up a loop where we can still be guessing until the get right number. We want the function to tell us if we are right or wrong. We use an if statement. If guess is not equal to rand_num, it print a statement. If your guess is equal to secret number, that means you have guessed the right number. We don't have to write any line for that, since our while loop will end once we'll get the right number. We come out of the if statement and print congrats, you're correct. We'll initialize the guess_num function to 100. So, we can guess from 1 to 100, which is pretty difficult to guess right, so good luck to that. Run the code and try out different number. Pretty difficult, yeah. Bet you can't guess right after 10 try.